You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood actress Bimbo has taken to her Instagram page to share some beautiful behind-the-scenes moments of her new movie titled The Counselor, coming out soon. In the photo she shared, it showed moments where a man proposed to her and some other moments with A-list Nollywood actors. Although Bimbo didn't disclose what the movie The Counselor, produced by her, is all about, but it sure starred some prominent names in the Yoruba movie industry.
Gómìnà mo wà nígbà yẹn oṣù mo wà nígbà
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.